Yoga for You and Me, which is jointly curated by Vitamins and Grab Your Mat. This is a series of 15 yoga videos which have been designed specifically keeping the beginners in mind. So, if you are looking to start your fitness journey and want to incorporate yoga into your daily routine, then this series is just for you. The entire series is conducted by Madhusatta Chaudhary, who started her fitness, her yoga journey from the tender age of 9 and has many accolades to her, including state, district, and national level titles. She is a certified Ashtanga Vinyasa yoga teacher and is also proficient in Hatha yoga and restorative yoga. I personally thank Madhusatta for taking up this cause and bringing this wonderful yoga series for our viewers. Let's get into the asana of the day.
Hello and welcome to Vitamins Yoga for Me and You. From today onwards, we will start the supine series or the lying down series. So we have completed our warm-up sequence, the Surya Namaskar, the starting points of the standing and sitting asanas, and we have completed the beginner's sitting sequence as well. So the supine series starts with a very basic pose called Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. So the Bhujangasana is immensely beneficial for people suffering from low back pain and people suffering from digestive disorders. So how do we do the Bhujangasana? It doesn't have much of a limitation. Almost everyone can do it, other than when you are going through your menstrual cycle, just take it a bit easy. And if you have a recent abdominal surgery, if you had one, then don't do Bhujangasana. Or if you have abdominal herniation, just ask your physician before attempting it. So, we lie down on our abdomen, and the starting position of this is Makarasana or the crocodile pose. So, just cross your arms, chin on the wrist, inhale and exhale, center yourself. Once you are centered, slowly inhale, lift your body, look forward, see how you feel. Just relax and lift. Exhale and go down. Now, if this is okay, just try to place your palms, fingers spread out in the front of your shoulder blades. Join your legs and slowly inhale and lift yourself. So just lift till this much. Exhale and go down. Do this a couple of times. Inhale, exhale. We can call this the Bhujangasana breathing. Inhale, exhale. Now if you are comfortable, just try to inhale, lift yourself a bit more till here. So the important part is the navel region should be on the mat. So if your navel region is up, that becomes a different pose altogether, okay? So lift yourself up. The navel region should rest on the mat. Look straight. Now, if you are comfortable doing this, so as you can understand from the name, the cobra pose or the snake pose, the snake doesn't have limbs. So it doesn't raise itself up with the support of its arms. It raises itself up from back strength and core strength. Core strength and back strength comes into being for a snake. They don't have limbs. So what we do, if you are comfortable doing this and want to progress a bit, just stretch your arms back, interlock your fingers, straighten your arms, inhale and lift your body. See if you can. Exhale and go down. One more time. Inhale and lift your body. This this will teach you how to lift yourself up using your back and core strength. Exhale and go down. So, now if you want to progress your Bhujangasana further, so with this also you are using the arm a bit because you are stretching it and that is pulling you back. So, for more progression, try to keep the palms at the back of your head. Inhale, lift yourself. Exhale, go down. Inhale, lift yourself. Exhale, go down. If you are comfortable, hold the pose. Inhale and hold. And after 5 breaths, get back to your Makarasana. Release the legs, rest. So this was your Bhujangasana, but I would recommend that for the first 6 to 12 classes, you just stay here and not attempt anything. So if you are having neck pain, look straight, don't bend it backward. If you suffer from vertigo, dizziness, look straight. So this was your Bhujangasana practice. Incorporate Bhujangasana in your daily life, and if you are having long hours in front of the computer, you will see like magic, the back pain gets relieved, gets cured. Take care. See you in the next session.